Hey everybody, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most powerful and easy to use Excel tools out there. Whether you're in logistics, real estate, data analytics, or any field that works with location data, I got a tool today that's going to save you a ton of time. Today, I want to introduce you to our Convert Address to Lat Long Tool, a fast and simple way to generate latitude and longitude coordinates from any address in just minutes. Whether you're dealing with 20 or 20,000 addresses, this tool will handle it all seamlessly right inside Excel. No software needed. This tool requires no installations, runs completely in Excel, and works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US. It integrates directly with Google Maps API to ensure high accuracy when retrieving latitude and longitude. And it supports batch processing, meaning you can convert thousands of addresses in minutes. Using it is incredibly simple. Just paste your list of addresses, whether they're full street addresses, city names, or just zip codes. Since this tool uses the Google Maps API, it's highly flexible with the type of location data you enter. Then, simply click the Generate button, and the tool will instantly connect to the Google Maps API to retrieve the latitude, longitude, and altitude for each address. The results will be neatly displayed in columns, ready for mapping, software integration, or analytics. We've been building Excel-based tools for over 16 years, helping 7,500 plus customers simplify their workflows. With over 120 five-star Google reviews, our customers consistently tell us how much time our tools save them every week. Some of our users have described our tools as seamless and efficient, a must-have for any manager, and backed by exceptional customer support. We take pride in providing tools that make a real impact on your daily operations. If this sounds like the solution you've been looking for, download it now using the link in the description. If you have any questions or need customizations, give us a call or send us an email. Yes, we actually answer the phone. Whether it's about this tool or any of our other Excel-based solutions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tools and updates. See you next time, and happy converting.